Today a little bit about this Calicarpa tomentosa I will tell. This Calicarpa, it is quite a widespread species in Western Ghats region in undisturbed places only. So you can find it in moist places with some stream flowing and on nearby, and it's a small tree or a large bush, and it has Kannada name called Pandavarbatti. It's connected to the it's connected to Mahabharata. Pandavas came to south of India as part of their Ajñatavas, I think, and then during that time in the Western Ghats and all, they are supposed to have used this Pandavarbati's tender stems, these tomato stems, as a wick to light lamps and also Pandavarbati. And outside its range, that is outside the Western Ghats, in Malnad region it's quite rare. Population is less. In Western Ghats it's more. Western Ghats foothills below the Ghat section, and then outside of Malnad it is not seen. So anyway, it has a good garden potential as a in the biodiversity gardens, and also I had collected some 1 or 2 plants and tried them out, and they are coming out very well here. And the fruits also there, which is eaten by birds and all. Then flowers, as you can see, is very attractive, small pink flowers, which is providing nectar to some small species of bees. So that's how it looks. Now close up if we want to see. Very attractive. So that is the Calicarpa tomentosa. It becomes a, you have to, if you want to grow it outside its range in above in the Bangalore, Mysore and all these kind of other places, then you have to provide water, extra water, and very dark soil like this you have to create. This mulch and all, you must put plenty of mulch, and it likes a degree of shade. In full open sunlight and all, it will die. So plant it in a place where it is having a partial sunlight, few hours every day, diffuse sunlight, morning or evening sunlight, that's enough for it.